long weekend here in Calgary. Tinatamad si Mama dyan magluto. Kaya, order na lang kami ng sushi. Ang favorite ng lahat. So, ang laki nito guys. Look how big it is. It's so big. Yes, you can join, of course. Come on. What's this one? CD? Yeah. So, this is our food for today, Friday, long weekend. And kung nandito kayo sa Calgary guys, sobrang sarap nito. Sa bandang northeast ito eh. So, Bento Oishi Sushi ang pangalan ng kanilang store. Sobrang sarap nito. This is worth $54, but because nag-delivery pa ako, so around 60, tapos may tip pa sa Uber driver. But sulit, sobrang sarap kasi ang layo namin. So about 42 an hour drive. So okay na rin na mag-order online kaysa mag-drive. Tsaka parang nag-i-snow na rin. So nakakatamad lumabas. So okay na to. So yan siya guys. Sobrang sarap. So, mix siya. Walang all-cook itong in-order ko. Ayoko ng may... Actually, si Scarlett, favorite niya yung salmon. But we don't want salmon. Siya lang may favorite. So, anyway, yan siya. Masarap siya. And then, yeah, 1 second please. Na nag-order din kami ng Popeyes. So, itong si Popeyes, buy one, get one free siya. So, yan siya. Super yummy. Chicken. Ang mga kids. And then with fries. So, yan yung dinner namin tonight. And fries. Masarap yung Popeyes, guys, dito. Kaya, highly recommended. So, yun lang. Enjoy your long weekend. And
Bye-bye.
have a good night, everyone.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.